Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Today we will discuss about the Clemenzin reduction. Clemenzin reduction, here is the reaction. I have derived this reaction and later I will derive its mechanism. Here is the Clemenzin reduction. Reduction means the addition of hydrogen. Okay. Here is the reduction of carbonyl. This carbonyl compound. This is carbonyl compound. Okay. Carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. Here is the reduction of carbonyl group will take place in the presence of zinc amalgam and HCl, and it will give us alkane and water. So let's derive its mechanism. In Clemenzin reduction, here we will take aldehyde or ketone because both these have carbonyl groups in their structural formulas. So let's derive its mechanism. Here is the carbonyl. I'm taking here aldehyde, okay, in the presence of zinc. This will attack over this carbonyl carbon. This bond will shift over this oxygen and it will give us this compound. Here zinc will attach with this carbon. And in the next step, what will happen? Here is the abstraction of proton. This negative ion will abstract this proton. This bond will shift over here, and what product it will give us? Here is this product. Okay, now this chloride ion will attack with this zinc and will combine with it. In the next step, what will happen? In the presence of HCl again, this lone pair will attack over this hydrogen and the bond will move over here. And now what will happen? Here it is. Here it forms the water. Now remember one thing, that the valency of oxygen is 2. It means it can form 2 bonds, which shows its stability, that it can form only 2 bonds. But here it is forming 3 bonds, 2 with the hydrogen and 1 with carbon. And the positive charge on the oxygen shows its instability because of this bond with carbon. So what will happen? This will remove in the form of water. This bond will shift over this oxygen, and here the process of dehydration takes place, and here is the zinc chloride, and here is the deficient carbon is formed, or you can say carbocation is formed. Now what will happen? Now the zinc again will attack over this carbon and will attach over the carbon. Now in the presence of HCl, this chloride ion will attack over here. This bond will shift over this carbon and it forms carbon ion. This carbon ion will abstract this hydrogen. Okay. And the chloride ion will combine with zinc chloride. Okay. Now the next step is the removal of this zinc in the presence of HCl. In the presence of HCl, what will happen? it will give, it will form zinc chloride as in the first step, and in the presence of HCl, this bond will shift over here, and the chloride ion, this chloride ion will attack this zinc chloride, and the hydrogen will combine with this carbon, and it will form alkane and zinc chloride. So here, this is our product, that is alkane and zinc chloride and the water. They are side products. Okay, so this was all about today's lecture. Thank you.